Ideal motivation. Unlocking enduring wealth.
Elon Musk motivational quotes.
Elon Reeve Musk is a visionary entrepreneur and innovator known for his significant contributions to several industries. Born on June 28, 1971, in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk co-founded Zip2, an early online city guide, and later founded X.com, which eventually became PayPal, a widely used online payment platform. His groundbreaking ventures continued with the founding of SpaceX in 2002, where he aimed to reduce space travel costs and enable human colonization of Mars. Additionally, he took on the challenge of revolutionizing the automotive industry by co-founding Tesla Motors in 2004, pioneering electric cars that redefine sustainability and performance. Musk's far-reaching vision also extends to renewable energy solutions, such as solar power through Solar City, now part of Tesla, and the development of high-speed transportation with a conceptual Hyperloop system. With his relentless pursuit of innovation and commitment to tackling global issues, Elon Musk has become a prominent figure in the modern world, pushing boundaries and inspiring others to dream big and strive for a better future. His influence in technology, space exploration, and sustainable energy has earned him widespread recognition and admiration. Elon Musk has made several quotes about success and wealth over the years. Here are some of his notable quotes. Number 1. Persistence is very important. You should not give up unless you are forced to give up. Number 2. I think it is possible for ordinary people to choose to be extraordinary. Number 3. I say something, and then it usually happens. Maybe not on schedule, but it usually happens. Number 4. It's okay to have your eggs in one basket as long as you control what happens to that basket. Number 5. First step is to establish that something is possible, then probability will occur. Number 6. I don't create companies for the sake of creating companies, but to get things done. Number 7. I think that's the single best piece of advice. Constantly think about how you could be doing things better and questioning yourself. Number 8. My biggest mistake is probably weighing too much on someone's talent and not someone's personality. I think it matters whether someone has a good heart. Number 9. You shouldn't do things differently just because they're different. They need to be better. Number 10. You want to have a future where you're expecting things to be better, not one where you're expecting things to be worse. These quotes reflect Musk's belief in the importance of perseverance, forward thinking, and the desire to make a positive impact on the world. He emphasizes the need for continuous improvement and innovation to achieve success in business and life. More than that, see these important quotes. Great companies are built on great product. Good ideas are always crazy until they are not. If you're trying to create a company, it's like baking a cake. You have to have all the ingredients in the right proportion. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster.